have the ink refill slot on this side so that once I get ready to pour it, it won't be in the way of anything. This is the tray that came with the printer, and this is the heater or the oven. You can see that nothing is connected just yet. Let's see what else came with the package. So here is the power cord. Okay. This is the printer cable that will connect the printer to the laptop. I'm going to be using my laptop for this. This is, I'm not sure what this is called. I don't think it even has an official name in the user manual. There are also some safe. Doesn't say what this is, and I don't see it listed on the supplies. This is looks like a fuse, and there's a little screwdriver and some wires, two USB connectors. And on that's on the USB is to set up the printer. So it says to remove this zip tie, doesn't call it a zip, and unscrew these screws. And it comes with this screwdriver right here. This is the one I'm going to use. I'm also going to, if you can see it, I'm going to remove this piece of tape that is on here. This is the waste tank. Is to insert this hose into this line right here, into this hole. So I'm going to do that. And this waste tank. Okay. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to power the printer on, and I'm going to carefully turn it back around to face the front. Now, although it looks like the printer is powered on, it's actually not. The power button is actually this button right here, okay? And it doesn't actually start to work until that green light is not flashing anymore, so it's kind of just going through what it's going through. The recommended sit here just like this, and I'm going to grab a sheet of film. See, the light is not flashing anymore, and I'm going to send a sheet of film through the printer. Now, let me say this printer does come with film, and it comes with ink. I, however, am using the Welliser brand of film because I've just found that I like it. I prefer it. And it's the Welliser brand that looks like this. The packaging actually doesn't say Welliser, but it looks like this. And so when I get ready to, actually show you the whole process of printing, I'm going to be using the Welliser film and the Welliser powder. So I'm using their ink because I did not want to void the warranty. Otherwise, I would also be using the Welliser ink. Okay? All right. So I don't have the light flashing anymore. I'm actually just going to stick this sheet in here, just like that. And I am going to press the button that's right above the paper icon. I guess this is the ink icon. This is the trash icon. I haven't seen these lights flash, so I don't even know how to use these or what they do. All right, so I'm going to press this and see if my paper will go through. And film is going to just go straight through the way it's supposed to. Button that looks like a circle, and I'm going to go up to 120 degrees, and I'm going to press that button again, and then I'm going to press this option, this circle down here. I'm going to go down to 60 seconds. No beeping.